Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's take a look at the S&P 500 trust fund. This is the top 500 companies in the United States. As always, let's take a look at the monthly chart first. We have a very strong area of demand monthly that is taking control right here, and is still tested once and then rallied. So we are bullish on all US indexes, including the Dow, NASDAQ, Russell, S&P. All of the indexes in the United States are rallying, so we are very bullish on it. On the weekly, we have this zone right here. It rallied, tested it, couldn't make a higher high, but then tested it and rallied again, and it did make a higher high this time. So we have price rallying, but this is very poor price action because you see there's a drop and then an engulfing and then a strong candle up. Oh, it's not strong, it's weak. It's a candle up but forming this red candle, so it gapped up but backfill, like some traders would say. On the daily, this is what we have. We have price dropping, rally, and then came back to this, like we mentioned in the last few weeks regarding this video series, that this is a strong area of demand to go long, and it played out nicely last week. So as far as new areas of demand on the lower time frames, we have a strong area right here that it tested it and looks like it wants to rally. So my plan for this week, this next coming week of trading before the holidays, is price could react from this level and go up, or else price can drop all the way back down before it rallies again. So we'll see what happens. These levels, I'm not leaning on these levels because they're very weak, very poor. I'm expecting a bigger retracement down here before we go long again. Same thing with the weekly. Weekly, we have waiting for this drop to come back down. The stock market is very bullish right now, so waiting for a price to go down. It can just keep on going up, or it can go down. Only two ways it could do, but we are bullish. Right now, price is way too expensive to buy. We need price to come back down to down here, or the weekly time frame want price to come back down to here, because this is too expensive. Poor price action. The daily, this zone right here is poor price action. Want to go down here, or wait until a better, stronger zone before going long. This is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps the channel out a lot. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.